Hello everyone, demonstrate this motorcycle interconnection screen to everyone. A usage tutorial of. This is the main interface. This is an icon for the function. This is the home page, time switch, brightness, sound adjustment, return. Here is the function below. First demo of CarPlay. Let's set up. Find this smartphone. Apple devices set to CarPlay. Wireless device set to CarPlay. These two are set to CarPlay. Then we can click on Settings. Find this Bluetooth. Turn this discoverable on. Search for this Bluetooth. We use mobile. Search for this Bluetooth. We click pair. So you can connect to wireless CarPlay. It will connect automatically. Click back. It's wireless CarPlay. Here is the wireless Android Auto pairing method. Android device set to Android Auto. Wireless device settings Android Auto. Then click on Bluetooth. Let's use an Android phone. We use an Android phone to search for this Bluetooth. Click to pair. This will get you into wireless Android Auto. Wireless Android Auto. The following demonstrates other functions. This SD card can insert a TF card here. Using the SD card function, this is some settings with some display. This is the radio transmission. We FM radio. Transmit on the same frequency. Emit sound. This is USB. This is Bluetooth music. Bluetooth music, this is Bluetooth phone. Then this is the switch wallpaper. Then this is the Bluetooth transmitter. Focus on the Bluetooth transmission function. We use this Bluetooth headset. Long press to enter pairing state. Turn this switch on. Then we find this Bluetooth device. Click to pair. It is good. The sound can come out through this Bluetooth headset. The sound comes out through the Bluetooth headset. You can pass when riding with Bluetooth earphones. Listen to this. Stream the sound of the connected screen here. To listen. Okay, that's it for the tutorial on how to use the internet screen. Thanks.